Heidi ho there, friends. Bobby here today along with my dad, Mint Hill. Dad, say hey to everybody.
Howdy, howdy.
Alright guys, hey, today we are going to replace a canister ring on a Kohler toilet. So stay tuned, friends, and we will tell you the symptoms of the problems that we have been having that require the replacement of this, and we'll show you how to get it done. Stay tuned.
Okay, what we're going to be doing first is taking this canister here out and putting this yellow ring seal on the bottom of it. What happens is the seal that's on there is worn out and it causes water to leak out into the bowl, and then this water comes back on to fill the bowl back up. Also, sometimes you hear a whistling noise, a squealing noise going on because of the vibration of it. But what we're going to do is take this out, and it's very simple, and I'll show you in just a second. Now, like I said, we're going to be putting this on right here, but the way to find out what part you need is this little tag right here. You'll find it on it. It'll be this canister seal, and it'll come up. The number that comes up on that is GP1059291. Now, I went to Kohler's, or the Home Depot, or Lowe's, I'll get it right in a minute. I went to Lowe's and
Found this in stock.
This is a genuine part, and it's got the number, the GP1059291 on it.
It matches up with
It matches up with
on
the commode. That's
awesome.
If you get an off-brand, it should have that number somewhere on it. It replaces it. And now the first thing we're going to do is cut the water off and flush the commode.
All right, Dad is reaching down there and cutting the valve off now. And then we're going to go ahead and flush that toilet to empty that tank out.
You got to hold it down so it goes all out.
Okay.
Now that's all it's going to go out because it's got it raised.
All right.
All right, the first thing you want to do is, before you take it out, is disconnect this little tube right here. That comes from the water supply. And then you want to just reach down into the into it and catch it and turn it a turn, half turn or quarter turn, and then it'll just lift right up like so.
Well, that'll look pretty easy. So a quarter turn in the counterclockwise position?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I don't guess it matters too much which way you go.
Okay. Well, counterclockwise, we know.
All right, you disconnect the chain from this.
Chain from the lever?
Yeah.
Okay, the
All right,
fishing
you
lever.
pull it out. Now, the way that reason you do it, quarter turn, if you can see this right here, it's got a way it's shaped. It fits a slot down in the bottom. Okay. It matches it, and when you turn it, it takes care of that.
Locks it in place. Okay.
All right.
Cool.
Also, you need to go down into the tank here and take a sponge and clean off any debris that may cause a future leak. Anything that may be on there, whether it's an old gasket or whatever it is, it don't take much because it's plastic.
Just get it good and clean.
And that's it. All right, what you got to do is take this little ring off, this little yellow ring off, and expose that. Now you want to clean this, anything on it all, and then you want to take this out of the package. But if you'll notice, this yellow one, sometimes they come with a red one. But they very prone to chemical attacks. We use Clorox in our things, but the yellow one withstands that. It's a better protection of it.
Oh, okay.
And it's very simple. You got a little rim, a little ledge in there, a little groove, and all you do is get it started into it and work its way around. And once you get it in there, it's sealed just like that right there.
Awesome.
Now, putting it back together is simply just like putting it in there. You want to look down in there, and you see that little slot down at the bottom. I don't know if you can see it or not. And it's got a slot for it to set in.
Okay.
And you want to make sure this is lined up with that.
All right.
And it don't much matter how this goes here because it just spins anyhow.
Okay.
And that's locked in.
Locked in. That seemed to be a pretty easy thing to do.
All right, now.
Is the chain positioned in the right?
Wait,
Oh, that's right. That's that.
Then you just put that back on.
Okay. Oh, that piece is just kind of independently loaded.
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. It's hooking the chain back up
Put
now, folks.
that back on, hook the chain up is all you got to do.
Okay.
Okay, the chain is on now. And everything's hooked up. I'm gonna cut the water back on.
Okay. I hear the water flowing. It's flowing in the toilet. All right, friends, she's filling up now.
Okay, just cut off. You want it to cut off before it gets to the top here, because if it gets over this top, it'll just run in there and keep leaking. Way you adjust it with this right here, you turn this and it adjusts the height of that float there.
Oh, okay.
And you want to keep it down quarter to an inch below this canister top,
Okay.
so it won't run over.
Cool. Good information there. All right, friends. Hey, we're done with this little project today, and that seemed to be a pretty easy little project. Dad, do you have any last final words for everyone?
Well, if you got a leaking valve, a leaking toilet, and it's this canister type, this is the best way to do it, the easiest and the best way to do it, just to get you a new one, put it on. It takes about 5 minutes.
Awesome. All right. Well, folks, we thank you for watching the video today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Take care.